Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making jambalaya. This recipe was inspired by one of my favorite new creators, Cooking with Bev. So stop by her channel and tell her Soul Food Cooking sent you. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of chicken breast, 12 ounces of andouille sausage, 1/2 pound of shrimp, 2.5 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of parboiled rice, 2.5 cups of crushed tomatoes, 1 green bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, and canola oil for frying. Cut your chicken breasts into small 1-inch pieces, then place them in a large bowl. Using 1 tablespoon of your Cajun seasoning, generously season your chicken. Add 1/4 cup of oil to a large pan or Dutch oven, then using medium heat, bring it to temperature. Now add your chicken to the pan and allow it to brown for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. To the same pan, add your sausage and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. Now add the onion, bell pepper, celery, and garlic and saute for 3 minutes. Season with the salt, pepper, red pepper flake, remaining Cajun seasoning, and Worcestershire sauce, and mix well. Now add the crushed tomatoes and mix well. Add your chicken broth, mix well, and allow it to come to a light simmer. Now add your rice. For this recipe, it's important to use parboiled rice. Parboiled rice is rice that has been cooked for 5 to 6 minutes and then drained. Return the chicken and sausage to the pan, reduce your heat, cover, and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove your lid, then add your shrimp. If you like this recipe and want to see more from Soul Food Cooking, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment below. Now cover and allow it to simmer for an additional 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.